Hello everyone, in today's video I am going to walk you through how to create another wallet within the Bitget app. Now, creating another wallet within the Bitget wallet app is quite straightforward. You just need to launch the Bitget wallet app on your mobile device, look for an icon or menu option that indicates wallet management. This is often represented by a plus sign, a wallet icon with a plus, or a menu labeled wallets. Now tap the option to create wallet or add wallets, or something similar. Some wallets allow you to choose the network for the new wallet during creation. For example, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Chain, etc. Select the network you need. You might be prompted to set a new password for the wallet you want to use, or use your existing. You might be prompted to set a new password for the wallet or use your existing app password. Now, the app would generate a new seed phrase for the new wallet. Write down the seed phrase on a paper and store it securely offline. Do not take screenshots or store it digitally. The app will likely ask you to confirm the seed phrase by entering the words in the correct order. Once you've confirmed the seed phrase, the new wallet will be created. Here's some important things to consider. Each wallet you create will have its own unique seed phrase. Treat each seed phrase with the utmost care. If you are creating multiple wallets, keep track of which seed phrase belongs to which wallet. Ensure you are creating a wallet on the correct network for the cryptocurrency you plan to use. Never share your seed phrase with anyone. Use a strong password. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. Thanks for watching.